Good afternoon, Baghdad. Good afternoon, Iraq. Here I am again. I'm not yet finished here in Salah or in dining. So now I'm just starting in dining. Okay. And now I start na. Oh, that is the rose with Madam. I told you she is the one to change that one. I'll arrange in the proper way. Oh, diba? Ang now not yet pa naman si Sisi. Oh, so I have a garbage pa not yet throw. Okay. Oh, ayan yung rose. Oh, ayan yung rose kanina that I fix. Oh, I make a video. That is for Madam, so she fix everything. Oh, that's when she put her in our small sala and cute sala. That's our simply small sala. Oh. Okay, and this one is the cover of the, what's that, upuan, mga ulan para doon sa, meron na kaming bagong ano, simple lang siya, simply design for the chair here in balcony. Oh, that is new. Okay, we have only at least that friends of Madam, the family of Sir. If they come here in the house, oh yeah, they can spend time there. Argili, play cards, or shy, or coffee, or at least there is already chairs. Because previous kasi, Sir, he's bringing our table and chair of the kitchen. Maybe look, it's become dirty already because they bring there inside, bring there outside, bring inside. That's all. So that happened. So maybe he feel tired to bring outside, tapos back inside. So now she buy. Oh, ayan, and we have a small also there, extra folding chair and folding table. Oh, they can use na that one, at least there is, but she cannot play na scooter here because look, except if she put beside all the table and the chairs, she can play, she can ride the scooter and her pink car daw. And she is telling pa naman, I want to park my car. Okay, so now Sisi is still not yet. Also now outside. Okay, and they are preparing na. They make decoration for the December. So welcome December, and us also maybe later we fix the Christmas tree, the small Christmas tree or old Christmas tree, because she want already. She is telling already to me, I want Christmas tree. Where is our Christmas tree? Where is our Christmas tree? So that's all. Okay, thank you again, thank you, and shout out to all subscriber of mine nationwide and worldwide na nabilong sa different countries, that you notice my simple video and you subscribe, and I wish for my Christmas gift sabay pangginan for my Christmas gift, support me. Subscribe me to my YouTube channel, to my Simply YouTube channel. It's for Christmas already, Christmas gift. Support to all peoples nationwide and worldwide that you are watching in the social media and you notice my Simply video. Please subscribe me. I'm asking talaga a favor to all of them, to all of us, sabay pang ganun. Okay, so thank you again, thank you, good health, take care, and thanks for your kindness and patience, and to understand, to keep it smile while you are watching of my YouTube channel, of my videos, my old videos. Thank you. You likes or you dislike, you share or you don't share, you subscribe or you are not subscribed. Thank you very much. Because one of us, it depends if you like or not You have your own, we have our own wants, kumbaga pa. So, may pang ganun basta. I wish lang naman din kasi, I wish and ask favor only that you support me while you are watching. So, just subscribe me na, likes and share also. Thank you again, YouTube channel, YouTube company. Thank you very much. God bless us all and take care and bye. Happy December. God bless us all. More blessings. Okay. Family with us now and forever. Amen. Magiging wala man, magiging alone, we are individual. It's okay. Just keep safe and be happy. And bye. Nag-selfie sa mirror ni Madam. Aroy ko, ang laki. It's a very big kasi dito sa dining. Kaya mag-selfie na lang ako. Selfie more, selfie. And bye. Paulit-ulit na repeating and repeating bye. Until now, not YouTube. Ilan na nga. Bye-bye na talaga. Bye-bye.